Hey, you're watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome, I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this purple chrome powder look with no gel polish. Nope, just regular nail polish over here. If you like what you see, stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with a base coat. I'm using a peel-off base coat because I feel like it, and I'm making sure to wrap all the edges of my fingernails. 2 coats as usual because again I feel like it. Once my base coat is dry, I am adding my black nail polish. This is my favorite polish because it is so opaque. I'm making sure to wrap the edge of each of my nails as I go. Even though I don't need it because the nail polish is so thick, I'm still going ahead and doing a second coat purely out of habit. Again, I'm wrapping the edges of my nails and I'm left with this. And on to the purple chrome powder. Since I'm using regular nail polish and there's no gel lamp to cure it, I had to make sure the polish was completely dry before I started adding the powder. As you can see, I'm using an eyeshadow applicator to add my chrome powder and it's coming out perfectly. I absolutely love this colour. The powder did leave a bit of a mess, so I wiped off the excess with a fluffy brush and I was left with this. I love how smooth it looks. It just looks like I didn't even use a powder. Crazy. Anyway, to seal the powder onto the nail, I added a top coat, quick dry, of course, because we're not waiting hours for them to dry. All done. This is the end result. I cannot believe it came out this way using no gel polish, just regular polish, and it looks so nice, smooth and seamless. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. If you didn't, I don't know what to tell you. And you can follow me on my Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!